Hey guys, welcome to another Mr. Mutech video. Today, I'm going to show you how to turn off vibration for your iPhone completely. Now, you probably get vibration on your phone whenever you get text messages or whenever one of the apps that you have installed sends you some type of notification. So I'm going to show you how to completely turn these off today on your device. First, let's go to settings, and once we go there, we are going to scroll down until we get to accessibility. Go ahead and tap on accessibility. Then after that, we are going to go to the touch area. So tap on touch, and then you're going to notice as you scroll down, the option for vibration to turn off is here. So we will tick that to turn it off. And also keep in mind that turning this vibration off on the iPhone disables vibration in extreme emergency situations as well. Hopefully this was helpful for you, and if it was, have a great day. I wish you the best. Thank you so much.